Alright, so here's our finished product of the Mockatouille. I'll give you all a peek of what's inside, but this is how it looks with the sauce on top. This is a very, very time intensive recipe, if you all couldn't tell. It takes an hour to bake, total. Not including the prep time, which could be an hour or more. Thank you. Would you mind giving me a bowl? But if you're putting chicken in it, it takes even longer. So this is really, I'm trying to stress to you, this is not a 30-minute meal. So let's dig in and see what this looks like. I wish you all could smell how delicious this is. Let's get that eggplant out of there. It's a very yummy eggplant. So, you can have plenty of servings with this meal. And I appreciate you all taking the time to hang out with us today while we made dinner. And hopefully, if you try this recipe, it turns out just as good as mine. Thanks, and y'all have a good holiday.